What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are finally doing our June BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm sorry this month's video is later than usual. I try and get these up as early as possible, but I wanted to wait till I got all three boxes for you guys so that I could show you all three of the boxes. So we have the classic box, we have the premium box, and we have Boxyluxe this month. So all three boxes have come in, so I'm going to unbox them all today. We'll compare and contrast them, play with the makeup, see what's inside, and see if they're worth it or what. So I'm super excited. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the classic box. If you guys are new to BoxyCharm and you have no idea what I'm talking about, it's a monthly subscription service where you basically get beauty products sent right to your door. So the classic box is $25 per month. You're guaranteed 5 full-size beauty products at least $120 value. So this is the cheapest option, but normally I love the stuff I get, so we're gonna open this one first. And I don't know where my box opener is, so we're using these tiny little eyelash scissors to open this box. Love that for me. All right, so it looks like this month's theme is the Oasis. So back here we have a list of all the products. I don't like to look at that. I like to keep it a little surprise. Oh my God, whoa! I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I saw this right on top and instantly my eyes were like, okay, so this is Kylie's Skin and this is her foaming face wash. I've been wondering when BoxyCharm is gonna do something with KAB Cosmetics or Kylie's Skin, because I know they do, Kylie shows her boxes monthly, so they have a relationship with her. So I was like, I wanna see some Kylie Cosmetics or Kylie's Skin products in the boxes. So that's really exciting. I've never tried anything from Kylie's Skin. So this is the foaming face wash. I've seen this on Kylie Jenner's Instagram stories and stuff a billion times. It seems really cool. Wow! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Low-key, I'm a Kardashian stan. I know people don't, not everybody loves them, but I do, and I'm really excited to try this out. Oh my gosh, because yeah, I haven't tried anything from the Kylie Skin line. So the MSRP on this is $24, and it says it has kiwi seed oil and vitamin C and vitamin E. So that sounds really good. I am so excited to try this out, and it is a foam, which is really cool. And the packaging is super cute. So that's so exciting. Wow, okay. Dang, and that's in the regular base box too, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we have in here. I see Laura Geller, which this is one of my favorite brands. She makes such good things. I love their stuff. I feel like they're very underrated. This is the Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette. Okay, very cute. So it looks like we have a kind of a blush, a bronzer, and a highlight. But again, it does say that it can be used on eyes, lips, or cheeks. And that it's a cream to powder trio. Oh wow, yeah, so they go on as creams. Wow, they're very buttery. That feels really nice. Do some little swatches for you guys so you can see all three. Very cool. And it's nice that it's multitasking too, so you don't just have to use this on your face. So that's really exciting. You get a nice mirror in there as well. So the MSRP on that is $24. So I think both of the first two things are both 24 bucks. So they're basically both the price of the box, or $1 cheaper. Okay, up next I see, oh wow, okay, so we got a full-size Smashbox Photo Finish setting spray. So that's really nice. This is not a cheap product. Let me get you guys the MSRP. This is $32. It's a setting spray from Smashbox. I want to say that I've tried this before. I don't know, but it looks a little different to me. I think I've tried their primer spray, but maybe not the setting spray, so I'm excited about that. We'll use some of this now. My makeup keys are refreshed. It's a little later in the day today. Ooh. Nice light mist. And a light scent to it, a light kind of fresh scent, but nothing overwhelming. But it's definitely not water gun to the face. It's a nice light mist, which not all setting sprays are. I'm kind of picky when it comes to that. Oh, it does say weightless on here, so I guess that has something to do with it. Okay, pretty cool. It says that it makes your foundation transfer proof, non-sticky, and non-greasy, and for all skin types. So that's awesome. I'm excited to try more about this. And again, the MSRP is $32. Oh, and it does say it improves wear for up to 16 hours on your makeup, so that's great as well. Alrighty, up next we have Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. That sounds really good. I've actually heard a lot about Tula, but I don't believe that I've ever tried any of their products. But a couple of the girls in the fitness world who I watch talk about their skincare products a lot. So a cooling and brightening eye balm. Oh, wait, is this how do we do this here? Oh, wow. So it is actually a stick. You literally just go straight on underneath your eyes. It says apply around eye area for instant cooling and glow. Use under and over makeup needed throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. I don't know that I would put this over my makeup. I feel like I'm scared of that. Oh, wow. It feels really nice. I just put it on my hand and it leaves a little glow. It has a nice scent to it too. I feel like I'd be scared to put this over my makeup. Maybe I'll do like a little. All right, I guess you could. I'm like dabbing it, I'm not like wiping it just because obviously I have all this concealer on. I probably would use this more without makeup, but it does feel really, really nice and cooling. So I like this, I'll definitely get use out of this. I feel like this would be good like in the morning, like underneath the eyes before you go ahead and get ready and like prep your skin and stuff to like wake you up. So that's really cool. And the MSRP on this is $28. Okay, and then last but not least, we have, oh my goodness, great. Okay, this is like I guess they just went to all the people that I love and filled this box. Oh my gosh, so another person who I love, Kim Zolciak-Biermann, as well as her daughters, they came out with this line called KAB. I don't know if it's pronounced KAB Cosmetics or KAB Cosmetics, but it's Kim, Ariana, and Brielle Biermann. Kim is from the Real Housewives of Atlanta, but they also have their own show. And they came out with a cosmetics line, and wow, so we got a lip duo from them in this month's BoxyCharm, because I love reality TV, if you don't know already. So I watch the Kardashians, I watch the Real Housewives, that's how I know Kim and her daughters and stuff, and I saw they came out with this makeup line. I've actually been wanting to try it. So this is so exciting for me. Wow, okay. So we get a liner. What color is this? Charming. So I'll put that on my hand. Very, very pretty. And then we have a lip gloss also in the shade Charming. This packaging is really nice too. It's like sturdy. Ooh, that is pretty. I like that. It's very glossy. Wow, I am so excited to actually try these. Is it scented? Oh yeah, a light like vanilla-y scent. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wow, I didn't know that that was going to be a part of BoxyCharm or anything. I haven't seen that like on their socials. I guess maybe I missed it. Dang, okay, so it's safe to say I really, really liked the classic box this month. All right, so let's go ahead and add up the values of everything. So we have $24 for the Kylie Foaming Cleanser. We have $24 for the Laura Geller Multitasking Palette, $28 for the Tula Skincare, $40 for the Lip Duo, and then $32 for the Smashbox spray for a total of $148. So it is over what they claim, which is 120 bucks, and again, $25 per month. So this month's box I really, really liked. That's really exciting, but we are gonna move on and do the premium box and see, like, is it gonna beat it? Because this is gonna be hard to beat. All right, so now for BoxyCharm Premium, it's $35 per month, so it's $10 more than BoxyCharm Classic, but you're guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size beauty products and up to $175 value in your box. So a $10 upgrade, but you are guaranteed at least another product and quite a bit more in value, like $50 worth of value. So let's see what's in here. First thing I see right on top is Glow Recipe. You guys know I love Glow Recipe. They make really, really great skincare products. So this is their Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. This is a really, really nice mask. I have it myself. I use it a lot. I will open it up and show you guys, but I'm not going to use it because I already own this. I'm going to give it away to one of you guys, but this is what it looks like. Really nice mask. You can put it on your face before you go to sleep and let it work its magic overnight. It does have retinol in it too, which is super high powered, really great for your skin. So this is a really nice high quality mask. So to win this, all you have to do is comment down below, where is the first place that you're gonna travel when all the social distancing restrictions and stuff are up? Like, where's the first place you're gonna travel? Like, where are you gonna go? What are you gonna do? Or if you live in a place where everything's already back to normal, where was the first place that you went? Just comment that down below and wait for me to get in contact with you, and then I will send this to one of you as a little gift. But the value on this is $49. So again, already over the price of the box, which is great. Up next, I see this Skin & Co. Shower Gel. Ooh, I actually really like this because it's something a little different than makeup, and obviously we all need like body wash, shower gel and stuff. So I'm excited. This says it has lemongrass, wild orange, and Sardinian myrtle. I don't know what that is, but we are gonna smell this and see. Ooh, I like this. It kind of smells like honey lemon or something. I guess maybe that's the orange. I like the way it smells. That's really, really nice. So this is gonna be going straight into my shower. And the MSRP on that is $22. Alrighty, up next I see a product from Zoeva. This is the Eyeshadow Fix Pearl. I don't know what that is. Is this like a eyeshadow primer? This is Eyeshadow Fix. I'm putting some on my hand. I think it's a primer. Looks like white, unless it's a liquid shadow. Yeah, I think this is definitely a primer. So it just kind of blends out like that kind of yellow shimmery shade. Yes, so this says it provides the perfect canvas for vibrant eye makeup looks. So it's basically like an eye primer, and the MSRP on this is 12 bucks. Then, ooh, we have the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I don't own this. I have so many Too Faced products. You guys know I'm a big fan of their stuff, and I do not have this. So this is like a, oh wow. So it's like a full little palette here. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Wait, how have I never seen this? I have never seen this palette before, but this is so pretty. So you get 3 different highlights and then 3 different contours. Wow, okay, I'm so excited for this. This is gonna be great. You can basically use these highlights just to highlight your face when you're setting your under eye area. They're all matte, which is great. And then we have some nice contours. And again, a variety of different shades to suit different skin tones to go ahead and contour your face. Dang! I am very, very, very excited to use this. This looks really pretty, and I don't know how I've never seen this before, but it looks beautiful. I got my like dirty hands all over it, but it looks really pretty. And the MSRP on this is $44. Then we have the KVD Vegan Beauty Ink Well Liner. So this is a liquid liner, I would assume. Looks like this. Let's see, is it a brush tip? Ooh, okay, I like these kind of tips. It's not like a brush tip, but it's kind of like foam almost, but it has a really tiny little tip there. So I feel like you'll really be able to get in and get a nice precise line. So that looks really, really promising. And it says it's a long wear matte eyeliner. So I could always use this. And the MSRP on this is $20. And then last but not least, we have a brush, which this looks like it's a sculpting brush. So this is really cool. You can use this in conjunction with the Too Faced palette. You have kind of a bigger flat top brush on this side, which you can use to really sculpt out the cheekbones. You could also use this for like blush as well, and then you have a tinier little brush on this side that you can use to blend out concealer. You could use this for highlighter. You could do a lot of different things with this. You could even honestly probably bring this into your crease if you wanted to just do it all over sort of thing. So this is really nice that you get this and you can use that with the palette or any of your other products of course as well. All right, so that is everything in the premium box. So let's go ahead and add up the values on that. So we have the Glow Recipe Mask at $49, the Too Faced Contour Palette at $44, the Zoeva eyeshadow primer at $12, the matte eyeliner at $20, the brush at $30, and then the shower gel at $22 for a grand total of $177. So that is everything for our BoxyCharm Premium. Now we are gonna move on to Boxyluxe. All right, now last but not least for Boxyluxe, Boxyluxe is a quarterly upgrade. So you're eligible to get this every September, March, June, and December. I was like, wait, which month am I missing? It's $49.99. You're guaranteed at least 8 full-size products and a $250 value. So let's open her up and see. There has to be something long in here because of the shape of this month's box. So let's see what it is. I'm intrigued. Oh, now this is gonna get in the way of the camera. Ooh, okay, so I see this on top. I don't know what this is. Open her up. Oh my gosh, wait, this is so cute. Little eye masks. Oh my god, that's adorable. Okay, love that for when I can finally travel again. And then what is this? Is this like, oh wow, this is a pillowcase and this is like nice. This is so cute. It also randomly smells really good. This is like a really, really nice material. So it's satin. It says it's a non-absorbent fabric that reduces hair tangling and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. Wow, okay, so that's actually really cool. So the MSRP on this little set is $50, and I guess it's basically just supposed to be better for your hair and for your skin. So this is going on my pillow ASAP. I definitely need the hair tangling part. My hair gets really tangled when I sleep. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but this is really, really exciting and feels really beautiful, and I love the little like leopard print. It's so cute. So this is a super cute set. And I like that it's like a little different than makeup. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Like, would you prefer to just get all makeup, or do you like the like mix of the lifestyle items? I personally enjoy the little different items, but let me know your thoughts. Ooh, okay, and then I see we get Kylie Skin in Boxyluxe as well. So the foaming face wash again. So what I'll do is I will include this in the giveaway. So same giveaway as the Glow Recipe product. So again, just comment down below where the first place you're gonna go is once this is all over and done with, and we can travel freely, and I will send you guys out this. Just because I obviously already got it in the other box, so I don't need to. Alrighty, up next I see Lily Lashes XXX Mascara. I didn't know Lily Lashes made mascara, so I have never tried this, but I like their lashes. They're really pretty. So this is what the mascara looks like. Let's check out the wand like this. I actually don't have any lower mascara on, so let's do it. Let's test this out. I'll put some mascara on my lower lashes with this. It's nice because this wand is like big enough, I feel like, to give you volume on the top, but it's not too big to like not feel comfortable applying it directly to your lower lashes. It looks pretty pigmented, so I can't complain. I like forgot to put lower mascara on before, but now I'm glad because I can do this and test this out. So I just put a little on, but I think it performed pretty well on my lower lashes, so I'm excited to try it out on my upper lashes. And the MSRP on that is $24. Next, we have this Bodyography lip pencil. So this is a 2-pack. So I guess these are lip liners, which I can never have enough lip liners, so I love that. Let's see, so we got one in Rosewood, so I'll apply that right here. Ooh, wow, what a pretty wine color for fall. Ooh, I'm like already excited for fall. It like just became summer. And then we got Pouty, which this one is, ooh, I love that. That's Pouty right there. It's more of like a mauve nude pink. This is definitely like an everyday shade for me, so that's super exciting. So the MSRP on those guys is $28 for both of them. Then we have a Purlissy Tinted BB Cream. Ooh, I've actually heard really great things about this brand, and I've wanted to try more of their stuff. I've tried a few of their products before, and this says SPF 30 in it too, which is great. Wow, okay. And it says it's for all skin types. So let me go and put a little bit on my hand so we can see. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna just blend it out. Ooh, it feels really creamy. I like that a lot. I think I put a little too much on my hand to really blend it, but it feels really nice and hydrating and just kind of like soaks into the skin and perfects it. So I'm excited to try that on my face and see how it works for me. It feels really nice on the hand though, like it feels hydrating, which is what I need. And the MSRP on that is $35. On the bottom here, I see the Tarte's Pro palette. So this is a really beautiful palette. I will show you guys what it looks like. And if I remember correctly, you get like a ton of different shades in this palette. Yes, ooh, so stunning. Tarte makes really nice eyeshadows too. So in this palette, you mostly get mattes here, and then you do get these shimmers on this side. So I'll do a few swatches to show you guys, like on my hand, some of the mattes, like they are super pigmented, and we'll do a pretty little shimmer. This is a really nice palette. I think you guys are really gonna like this. So this is actually really exciting because you get so many shades too, so you could literally just do so many looks with this. And the MSRP on this is $49. Then we have this Billion Dollar Brushes charcoal brush set. So in the BoxyCharm, was it BoxyCharm Premium, I think, we got one brush from Billion Dollar Brushes. So I guess in the Luxe, you get a whole set. So let's see. Oh, it looks like there's a lot of brushes in here actually. Okay, so we get a little flat top concealer brush, a nice powder brush. These are very soft, they feel really nice. So this you can use for all over face powder, you can use it for bronzer, kind of anywhere you put in a bigger area. Then a contour brush, this you can use to contour your face. You could also use this to apply your foundation because it's kind of like a flat top kabuki, and it's like dense enough that you could apply foundation with it as well. And then we got two nice eye brushes. So we have a more fluffy like crease brush and then a shader that you can pack color on all over the lid. So this is actually a really nice set and covers most of the basics that you would need for brushes. So it is a 5-piece set, and the value on that is $55. And then last but not least, we have this Recovery Treatment Oil. So I guess this is like a serum or something. Let's see. Ooh, looks kind of cool. So it says this helps to hydrate and then also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. So that's really cool. And the brand is Malin and Goetz. And it says on here it has evening primrose, argan, and jojoba oils to boost hydration, grapeseed and rosehip oils to deliver vitamin C and vitamin E to help improve the skin tone. And it says it's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. And the MSRP on this is $82. So this is like bougie. I'm gonna put a little on my hand so I can feel what it feels like. Ooh, has a nice scent to it too. I like that. It's like calming for nighttime. I guess you could use this in the morning too, but it's not like an overwhelming scent. And that's just like blended right into my hand. It's not like a super oily oil. It's like a light oil, which is what I like. Even though I have dry skin, I don't like super oily oils, if that kind of makes sense. But this actually feels really nice, and that soaked literally into my hand in 5 seconds. So this is exactly the kind of oil that you would want for like your skincare. It's not too heavy. So that's really exciting. I'm excited to actually use this on my face and see how it works. All right, so let's go ahead and add up all of this. We have $24 for the Kylie face wash, $35 for the BB cream, $24 for the Lily Lashes mascara, $49 for the Tarte palette, $50 for the pillowcase and eye mask, $55 for the brush set, $82 for the facial oil, and then $28 for the lip pencil set, for a total of $347. So it's literally almost $100 over what they like claim to give you. So that's a really high value box, dang. So those are all the boxes that I got this month. Definitely let me know down below, what did you guys get? What did you think? I would love to hear you guys' thoughts down below in the comments. And I will of course always have a link for you guys to sign up for BoxyCharm in my description box if y'all are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.